Well, it's the last piece of the puzzle of this Tahoe brake line replacement. This is the fuel filler neck for a Tahoe, this generation '01 Tahoe. I'm really just after this piece right here because the one that was on it was pretty bad. I actually found this on Amazon quite a bit cheaper than what the auto parts store wanted. I think they wanted like $230 something. I got this for like $130. So like I said, I don't mind paying for quality parts, but it's just hose and this piece right here. And really this piece right here is all I'm after. I'm actually going to take this off and I'm just going to use this piece because this is all I'm after. I'm going to use the OEM hoses. There's one bolt up here securing this metal piece, and the other part, it's hooked on the other side. Okay, so everything's tightened down. Now we need fuel. Well, I went to fire this thing up and the battery was dead. So looks like we're gonna need a battery for this thing. I just threw my Optima in here. I want to fire this thing up, make sure it's gonna function. Good to go, looks like. Okay, so a quick drive with this thing. Went to fill it up, and we've got an issue. This hose that's connected to this piece here is leaking where it connects to that new piece I put in. So I guess I have to replace this whole deal. I probably should have done that to begin with, but I found that the aftermarket filler necks, they don't screw on very nice with the caps. I did that with the S10 and I do not like the way it screws in, but I guess we're gonna have to do it because it's leaking. I can't get it to stop leaking, so the hose is kind of messed up. It's kind of got rust and stuff all over it, so I guess we'll just replace this whole piece. I gotta take these 3 bolts out. There's 2 here, 1 up there, and then disconnect it obviously from the neck, that steel neck I put in, and we'll swap this one in. Hopefully it'll be an easy swap. So it looks like these are 7mm. Gonna need some sort of a universal joint to get that one in the back. Okay, so under the car here, I got the spare tire removed for much easier access. Actually, I don't think you're going to do it without removing the spare tire. But there's the long hoses. I can't get it to stop leaking. When you fill it up, it leaks right here. I've tightened it. I can't get it to stop, so we're going to just replace it. Also, there's a ground wire here. I don't know how much you're going to see of this, but there's a ground wire on this neck. And it goes right here. I gotta take that off. Also, don't forget about there's a vent tube attached to this. I'm guessing it goes to the rear end. Okay, so this thing's just as crusty as the other stuff. I should have just replaced it. I don't know. I tried to skip a step. Don't skip steps, guys, because then you end up going back and reworking stuff. So, should have replaced the whole thing when I had the part. You're going to need this clip if you can get it out without destroying it. I think I got it to hold the vent. Okay, so these little screws that go into the actual filler neck there, they kind of tap into, they're not really threaded. They're like sheet metal screws and they kind of tap into there. So just snug them up, don't go crazy with them. But anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. You gotta go underneath, hook up the hoses, which really isn't that difficult, especially if you've been under there like I have. Actually, that fits really nice. I was worried that wasn't gonna fit nice, but that's the original cap. Fits really good. Hopefully this helps some people out there. I'll see you guys.